Hello friends, today is our day 7 of 1000 plus MCQs. Let us start. So today's first question, that is 462, is when was Srinagar Muzaffarabad bus service started? April 2005. Who was the governor of India during launch of civil disobedience movement? Lord Irwin. Lalit Aditya was the ruler of which dynasty? Karkota. J&K Martyrs Year is observed every year on 13th July. Gulab Singh sends rover to invade Ladakh in 1834, which destroy the toxic substance found in digested food, liver. Name of Afghan ruler who issued the coins in name of Sheikh Nur-ud-Din Rishi was Ata Muhammad Khan. In which year Rajnangni was translated into English? 1900 AD. Author of book Rajdarshini, Ganesh Das Vadare. The word Kashmir comes from two Sanskrit words, Ka and Shamira, which means water and dry up. Where old and dead RBC dispose spleen. The force that binds the particles of matter together is known as intermolecular force. Maharaja Gulab Singh died in 1857. Which gland disappeared during old age? Thymus. Which blood group is universal acceptor? AB positive. During whose rule Buddhism introduced in Kashmir? Ashoka. Nickname of the player Virat Kohli? Chiku. To which Hindu god modern sun temple attributed Lord Surya? Radiation of sunlight used in heating solar cooker, infrared rays. Place popularly known as Venice of East in J&K, Srinagar. For which Hazrat shrine is famous for? Moi Mukdas. Full name of Lal Ded? Laleshwari. Temple also known as Takht-e Suleiman, Shankaracharya Temple. Where is Zero Bridge in J&K? Srinagar. Process used to separate island water, separating funnel. Which period known as one of the most peaceful and progressive period in the history of Kashmir Valley? Dogra period. Which fort has Sharika temple? Hari Parbat. Salt can be obtained from sea water by evaporation. Who is known as Nightingale of Kashmir? Habba Khatun. Removal of impurities from ore is known as concentration of ore. State known as Egbal of Asia, Andhra Pradesh. 75% saffron is grown in which district? Pulwama. Lieutenant Governor appointed by President of India. Kerwa soil is best for growing saffron. Land of sunrise in India, Arunachal Pradesh. Ramban district was carved out from which district? Doda district. River has highest potential in J&K, Chenab. Lord Buddha breathed his last at Kushinagar. Largest producer of bamboo in India, Assam. Largest producer of tea in India, Assam. Valmiki Tiger Reserve is in Bihar. How many times governor rule has enforced in J&K? 8 times. National calendar of India is based on Saka era. State known as Jewel of Western India, Gujarat. Which state is known as Milk Pail of India, Haryana. Head of UT of J&K, Lieutenant Governor. First month of Indian national calendar, Chaitra. The mightiest river of J&K, Chenab. Kashmir was termed as paradise on earth by which Mughal ruler? By which Mughal king? Jahangir. Sardar Sarovar Dam located on Narmada River. Purmandal is situated on the bank of Devika River. Scientific name of mango, Magnifera indica. SI unit of energy, joule. SI unit of work, joule. Where is Sultanpur National Park? In Haryana. Governor of Puducherry, Kiran Bedi. Governor of Ladakh, Radhakrishna Mathur. Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Full form of DDC, District Development Council. A virus can spread through contaminated food, water, coughing. Fruit Bowl of India, Himachal Pradesh. Government of Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah dismissed by Dr. Karan Singh in 1953. Where is Chota Nagpur Plateau? Jharkhand. Who is holding Ministry of Education? Ramesh Pokhriyal. Who is holding Ministry of Information and Broadcasting? Prakash Javadekar. Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary is in Jharkhand. Nameri National Park is in Assam. Energy of food measured in calories. SI unit of luminance intensity, candela. Spice Garden of India, Kerala. When brakes are applied on a moving cycle, the direction of velocity and acceleration are opposite. The working principle of washing machine is centrifugation. Jet engine work on principle of conservation of linear momentum. Silent Valley National Park, Kerala. When temperature of liquid increases, the surface tension decreases. Sound is produced when objects vibrate. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is in Karnataka. When water is heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, its volume first decreases then increases. Main constituent of biogas is methane. Heart of India, Madhya Pradesh. Varun is Indian name of which planet? Neptune planet. First artificial satellite launched by India, Aryabhatta. To an astronaut, the outer space appears black. The star used to find direction is pole star. Land of five rivers in India, Punjab. Doda lies in the middle Himalaya range. Silicon is semiconductor. First woman Chief Justice of J&K, Justice Geeta Mithal. Dandiya is folk dance of Gujarat. During Doja Range, the Paranganas were recognized and named Zilas and Tehsils. Gautam Buddha attained Nirvana under people tree at Bodh Gaya. Propounder of Big Bang theory, George Lemaitre. J.J. Thomson is associated with discovery of electron. First Neolithic site to be discovered in Kashmir, Burza Qom. Who became the first bowler in cricket to scalp 500 wickets in T20 match? DJ Bravo. Mughal region of Kashmir came to an end by the invasion of Ahmad Shah Abdali. J&K Reorganization Bill discussed in Rajya Sabha on 5 August 2019. UT of J&K is similar to as Delhi and UT of Ladakh is similar to as Chandigarh. Ballpoint pen discovered by John J. Loud. Lactometer used to measure purity of milk. So friends, these are our 562 questions. Thank you. Please like and share video.